Here, this will be a video chart on EXTO. Not sure if I've ever done this one before, but if not, shame on me. This is probably one of the better looking penny stock charts in all of Pennyland. Not just from this perspective here over the past couple months, but if we shrink up the chart, you can actually see that the price originally made this big move here and then went through a multi-month consolidation, but kind of formed the falling wedge pattern there, but maintained the lows. So these lows were very clearly higher than these ones, and then since made the breakout of the pattern, you can see pulled back tested this purple line here, and then from there it's just been chugging on upward. So a very nice chart, both from this perspective of it and then just the overall perspective of it too, from basically the past year. For this video though, I'm just gonna focus on more of, depending on how you want to call this, we'll just call this kind of the shorter to medium term time frame. Depending on your strategy, you may consider this long term, but this portion of the overall chart, we'll just call it, that's what I'm going to mainly focus on here. So as you can see, the chart went through this little period of consolidation, and then today finally got the breakout, and you can see here was a breakout in combination with above average volume. So this is just an absolutely classic example of how you want to see consolidations work within uptrends. Big volume here on the breakout, and then during the sideways action, check out the volume decreased, and then on the breakout increased again. So this, you could put this one right into a textbook because it's acted exactly how you'd want to see it. So a great kind of real life example of a nice healthy breakout, consolidation, and then breakout again. So going forward, where are the levels here that we want to see the price continue to hold? Well, as you can see, first get this changed to green to represent support, but during this last time of consolidation, the previous high of 0.0073, which was a resistance, became support. Did a great job of holding as support right there. So continuing going forward, this is going to be the level that we want to continue to see hold right around the 0.0072 region right there. Now another level of support is going to be right around this area here, and we'll call this the 0.009 area. Now I'm going to leave this line extra skinny just to represent it is a support, yes, but at the same time, if the price can't hold above it, no need to freak out because there are still plenty of other supports below it. Now in terms of resistance levels, really there's a couple of them, and once again I'm just going to leave these lines skinny because while they are resistance levels, I don't foresee either of them having any sort of huge kind of hurdles to get over with another volume move in terms of increasing volume. I don't see either of these levels presenting much of a problem, but like I said, they are technically resistances, the first one being at 0.0105 and the other one being at today's high 0.0111. So these are going to be your two resistance levels. These are two the support levels. But once again, in the grand scheme of things, there's all sorts of support levels. So, but these are just the two that are closest to the current price level right now. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. You go there and sign up for the free newsletter. You'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free, no strings attached. We've been making some good money together on our alerts, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was EXTO. Thanks for listening.